Today I've created a website on Goexplore in order to demonstrate how to create a repository from scratch and install it. Let's first create the repository. I've prepared an empty folder on my laptop called Demo Repo. Let's now create a folder inside it called Templates. And inside the Templates folder, let's create another folder called Pages. Inside the Pages folder, let's create a file called hello index.html. The file will simply contain a paragraph that says hello. Back on the Goexplore enabled website, we'll choose to install a new repository. We need to provide 3 informations about it. As the host, we'll choose github.com, where I have an account. Next, I'll provide my organization name, which is Go Add-on. And finally, we'll have to provide a repository name. Here I'll choose Demo Repo. This repository doesn't yet exist, so let's create it by tapping to my GitHub account and choose the option New Repository. We'll provide our chosen name, Demo Repo, and let's choose to keep the repository private. Upon creation, the repository is empty because we haven't yet associated it with my local folder. Let's copy this command and switch to my terminal, where I have navigated to the Demo Repo folder. We'll initialize Git, and when we paste in the command copied from GitHub and execute it, this folder gets associated with the GitHub repository. Git status reveals that the newly created Templates folder is not yet being tracked by Git, so let's add all files and check again. Let's then commit them, and finally push them to the master branch. When we update the repository on GitHub, it's no longer empty. We'll see our folder structure and the hello index.html file. Now that we have successfully created the repository, let's install it on our Goexplore enabled website. Because it's a private repository, no one from the outside can access it. But Goexplore assumes that it's a public repository and complains when it's unable to get access. So we need to inform Goexplore that it's a private repository, upon which we are provided with a deploy key that we can use to give Goexplore access. Let's copy it and tap back to my GitHub account. Here we need to navigate to Settings and find the section called Deploy Keys. Here we can choose to add a new key. We can call our deploy key anything, so let's just call it Goexplore. We'll paste in the deploy key and save it. Back on the Goexplore enabled website, we can refresh the page and confirm that it now has access to the repository. We can then choose the branch that should be projected onto the website. In our case, it would be the master branch. And finally, we can deploy. This creates the hello index page, which we will be able to review in the Pages menu entry. In order to visit the page, we would need to follow a regular account. So let's find the only account that currently exists on this website and follow it. Because we haven't created any menu entries that enables us to navigate here, we would need to type in the path ourselves.